Personal GPT, a tiny AI chatbot that runs fully offline on your iPhone. Hey Chat GPT. I'm a machine learning engineer turned indie app developer, and I recently launched my first app, Personal GPT. It's a transformer model-based AI chatbot that runs fully offline on recent iPhones, iPhone 11, iPads and Macs. It's one of the first apps of its kind, and since it runs fully offline on your devices, it needs no internet connection to run and is fully private. Also, it's a one-time purchase and not a recurring subscription, unlike almost every other mobile chatbot app out there. The app is a 1.5 GB download and comes baked in with a fine-tuned and quantized version of the OS Red Pajama and Sight Chat 3B model, given the tiny size 2.8B parameters of the model. I think it's perhaps best not to compare it with things like ChatGPT and Bard that are backed by humongous LLMs, although the model does fairly well on natural language conversations and tasks in English, but performs quite poorly on coding and reasoning tasks. The app is still under heavy development, and I keep releasing 1-2 updates with new features every week. This week's second update, 1.3.1, is currently in App Store review, and I'm most likely releasing another update over the weekend with iOS shortcuts integration. I'm also experimenting with a bigger 7B parameter model on the macOS version of the app, which sadly hasn't been updated in about 3 weeks now, since the iOS app seems to be way more popular, judging by the number of downloads. I'll most likely update the macOS version of the app within the next week or two. I'd recently posted about it on our Apple and was blown away by the overwhelmingly good response that the app received there. Now, with the permission of the mods, I'm doing a similar promo here on our Chat GPT. I'm giving away 5 App Store promo codes to the first 5 commenters on this post, and to another 5 commenters chosen at random 8 hours from now, 5:20 p.m. Eastern Time, 2:20 p.m. Pacific Time. I'm really excited to share Personal GPT with the Chat GPT community, and am looking forward to all your feedback and suggestions. Please feel free to ask me anything in the comments below. App Store link. App website. Edit. Here's a 10s demo video of the app. Edit. 2 initial set of promo codes have all been given out. Thanks for your support. Next set coming up in 7 hours. Edit. 3 final set of promo codes have been sent out. Edit. 4 some more promo codes, for anyone who missed out on them. Good night. X200B. Android app. Throwing kisses. Love this. I think there will be a big market for on-device generative AI, because the cloud is a privacy issue, and latency also kills a lot of the use cases. Thank you so much for working on this. It's encouraging that independent developers are the first, as far as I know, to openly release fully on-device ChatGPT analogs. So best of luck to you as you continue to make progress and release updates, and of course I would love to try it out myself. Smiling face. Your App Store screenshots can use some love. Purchased due to OP being super candid and quick on responding to bug fixes. Looking forward to trying it out. Keep up the good work. I am quite sure the usability is very low due to the small model, but it's a nice proof of concept. Nice to see offline models run on phones now. Bought it anyways to support the cause. It says you don't collect data. Will that always be the case? Sorry, Android users, we'll work on making it cross-platform. Fabulous woman tipping hand. Very cool. Just purchased it. One question. Does the model learn from remember my input? It seems like everything is gone after I clear the conversation, or better, could I intentionally feed it training data? For instance, I work as a behavioral psychologist and I try to keep up to date with relevant research studies in my field. I know the app is an offline app, but it would be great if I could feed it information offline that it could use in future conversations. Also, the model app would slowly become fully personalized while remaining offline. Shortcut integration is going to be a game changer. Can't wait to try it out. My device is not supported. It seems really interesting. Purchased. Gonna combine run in tandem with Unreal AI. Can you use plugins? Or more specifically, and my main question is, can I use online browser? Need this in my life. No promo needed. I want you to raise money and make this special. Just installed it as I type this. I'm just getting into ChatGPT and I'ma just buy this to show support and have some fun while learning. Want for PC Android? Can I add libraries for certain subject matter reference? Can it search the web? Can it interact with other programs like calendars, etc.? What is the speed like, and is there a comparative reference as to what kind of a load this represents for a phone? This is so cool. Great work, honestly. How was the core ML library to work with? Did you find it simple enough to work with? This looks very cool. Great job getting it running like this on a phone. To shamelessly ask advice on your promotion thread, I'm playing around with the open-sourced Llama models at the moment, and while I can get a quantized Wizard LM7B model to do quite well with chat, I pretty consistently find that after a while it will start just repeating itself. Have you seen this behavior during development of the app, and do you have any advice to prevent this? Thanks in advance for any thoughts. I'm very tempted to purchase it. Can you tell me more about some of the limitations of the smaller model? What is the context length it can work with? Looks cool. What are you using it for? Commenting in hopes of getting a promo code. Would love to try this out. Are you working on desktop version? If so, please talk to folks at Setapp to be included in their bundle of software. This is a great idea. Good luck. Love the idea. How refreshing that it's not a subscription. Looks great, man. Good luck. Will you make it available in the Swiss App Store? Godspeed, mate. Please keep doing the good work. Just bought the app. Fun, but wondering if other models could be added. I know you can't outright sell it with Vicuña because of Llama and commercial use, but could the app be made to allow for the switching of models? Not sure what that would look like on iOS, but it would be rad as heck. Great work. Sorry, Android users. We're keeping this one exclusive for iPhone lovers. Throwing kisses. Nice. Man, if you're ever interested in toying with the name, I think Tiny GTP or Mini GPT might be cool ones. This is a great project. Can't wait to see your success. As a dev, any plans to write up or share how you did this? I'm sure there would be thousands who would love to learn. You're absolutely awesome. Holy crap. This is really incredible. It runs so fast on my iPhone 13 Pro. Flushed. Well done, sir. You are an amazing person.